What's up guys, TV Hacks here. Today we will show you how to get Google back on your Huawei device. Let's start. If you have a new device from Huawei, you will see you have here the Google services. In my case, I have a Huawei Nova 10. It's the brand new model, and today we will show you how to install the Google on your device, on your Huawei device. So that means you have all functions from Google on your device. On the new Huawei smartphones, you have G-Space, and in G-Space you have all Google services. But if you want more, today we will show you how to install the new app. It called Gbox. Now start your browser and type into the browser gboxlab.com. And open the website. Now we have here free download, and we will click on free download and download this app. We have already downloaded. Now you have to allow and click on install. Start the app and click on agree, allow, and now alright, you can see we have here the Google services like Google, we have OneDrive, we have here WhatsApp installed, and most important, we have the Google Playstore. Now allow and again allow, click on allow, allow, and now we have to sign in with your Google account. Click on OK. Now type your email address. Next step, type your password. And now we are finished. We have here the Google Play Store and can download any app like YouTube, for example. Install. You see it works perfectly without ads. So it takes a few seconds installing. Now add to home screen, add, and you see here we have installed it, and we start the app and test it works or not. And you see we have installed the Google Play, the YouTube app without ads. If you have some question, let us know it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. TV Hacks say thanks for watching and bye.